Uh, Hi, this is Tim Niewold. I'm the chair of the FOCIS Centers of Excellence, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about what the Centers of Excellence are, what is the Trainee Symposium, and why you should attend the FOCIS 2013 meeting, and what are the benefits for someone engaged in human immunology. So the Centers of Excellence, we have over 60 centers across the world at major universities and academic medical centers that are engaged in human immunology and have a critical mass of investigation in immunological diseases. What this means for fellows and trainees is that there's a gathering point in human immunology at the institution where individuals will come together across different specialties and boundaries, and you actually have sort of a cross-disciplinary immunology center at your institution. So education is one of the features of the Centers of Excellence, and for trainees, one of the major functions of this is the Trainee Satellite Symposium. So the Trainee Satellite Symposium is attached to the FOCIS annual meeting. It's a day before the meeting, and it brings together trainees from each of the Centers of Excellence from all over the world. So we have centers in Europe and South America and many in North America, and it brings together one or two trainees from each center along with directors from the centers. And so it's a small meeting and very interactive by design, and people present oral abstracts, and also there's a very interactive poster session. So, one of the things that I'd say about it, it's a small meeting, and so you meet other people that you otherwise probably wouldn't come into contact with. In contrast with a large meeting where generally you just try to find the people you already know amidst thousands of other people, and you tend not to make so many connections. So the Trainee Satellite Symposium is excellent for establishing new connections and getting a broad exposure for your work. So the Trainee Symposium is one of the essential features of FOCIS, and I'll say from the personal perspective, I had attended one of the early Trainee Symposia in ancient times. I went to one that was probably about 10 years ago, and it was a great meeting. I still remember it because I got great feedback at my poster, and it's actually things that helped us shape the project, and there were some important ideas that we incorporated into our thinking that we probably would not have come up with ourselves. So it's that kind of a poster session. You will get excellent input from leaders in immunology. And I think one of the other strengths is that there are people that are not necessarily in your field but are working in similar areas, and so you have this chance to get new ideas that may be slightly out of the box that you would not naturally arrive at, but someone else working in a different field may be the first thing they think of when they look at your work. So that's a unique thing about FOCIS in general, is that by bridging different disciplines within immunology and different diseases, from inflammatory bowel disease to multiple sclerosis to lupus or rheumatoid arthritis, you get a lot of different perspectives on the same topic. And I think there's a chance for this creative spark, when someone sees something from a different discipline and thinks about it in their own frame of reference, you can really get some great ideas. So I think that's something unique about the FOCIS meeting.